baby.
Are you serious?
What?
You see me vacuuming. Can you please use another door?
Okay.
You're tracking everything in.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, nice to see you too.
Baby, you're dragging stuff in. Use another door.
Baby, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were right here. I'm sorry.
Okay, I've had it.
Baby,
You need to go through a window the
are
next
you
time.
watching me through the damn windows and seeing where I'm
No,
coming
I'm
in at?
vacuuming the whole house. You just keep going through the same dang door I'm at. Go through a window next time if you need to come in so bad.
You got it. I damn sure will.
Okay, thanks. What in the